In this video, I want to sketch y equals x take away 2 all cubed. Okay, so let's draw some axes and have a little think about what this should look like. Okay, now, if we think about what y equals x take away 2 squared would look like, then this is in completed square form. You could also think about it as that it's in factorised form as well. It's in both forms really at the same time, but probably easier to think about it as completed square form, because then the turning point is at 2, because the number inside the bracket changes sign. The one outside is plus 0. So its turning point is at 2, 0, and so the parabola looks something like this. Okay? Now, the thing about this is that these two graphs, they share this common property, that the stationary point can be located when the cubic is in a completed square form. It's not completed square form because it's obviously a cubic, but I can identify the stationary point as being at 2, 0 still from this. Okay, so I know that the stationary point is at 2, 0. So the curve looks something like this. So it's a neat tool that the parabolas and the cubic curves have this property that if it's in this particular form, I know where this point is. I can locate the turning point, I can locate the stationary point. So, for this, it's crossing through the y-axis at a point that I can find very easily. And that's when x is 0. So when x is 0, you have minus 2 cubed. So minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, which is negative 8. And so this is my sketch.